Want to build a weekly toy sales and customer insights dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is exactly what we're building today. This is the raw data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our toy sales data into Bricks. The import process is instant and seamless. Now, we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our data, identifying key patterns and relationships. It's automatically determining the most valuable insights from our toy sales information. The system is creating multiple chart visualizations, including sales proportions by channel, inventory tracking, customer satisfaction trends, and top-performing toys. It's also building comprehensive data tables for weekly KPI summaries and toy performance metrics. Our weekly toy sales and customer insights dashboard is now complete with 6 dynamic charts and 2 detailed data tables. We can instantly customize the visual theme to match our brand preferences. Now let's explore presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view eliminates distractions and highlights our key metrics beautifully. Every chart remains fully interactive, allowing real-time data exploration. The clean layout makes it perfect for executive presentations and team reviews. Back in edit mode, we can scroll through all our generated widgets and make any adjustments needed. Try Bricks today and transform your data workflow completely.